let's say I want to understand what a certain word means in the text. So I click this word blessed in Matthew chapter 5, verse 3. Now, it doesn't matter if I click on the left or the right. If I click in that scripture anywhere, it brings up a bunch of things that I can use. I can use a Bible comparison, cross references, text commentaries, audio, video, dictionaries. But the main one that I use all the time for studying is the interlinear concordance. So I click on that interlinear concordance, and then you see you got forward, interlinear, reverse interlinear. I click reverse so that the English words show up first, because that's how I read. Then you see in the middle, so you see on the left, you see all the words in that scripture. And then you see on the right the Strong's numbers, and then you see the translations into the Greek language